Module 2, Analytic Design Overview. Before we describe analytic design, let's talk about how to define the topic you are going to write about. This is known as issue development and is the most important consideration before you start the design process. Sometimes we may not have the right intelligence question for our product. If that's the case, it's time to start asking some key questions about your customer to develop an appropriate question. The first set of questions to ask will help you understand the customer requirements. Start by considering these questions. What roles does the customer have in policy and decision making? What decisions are made by the customer? What issues have the customer expressed interest in? The second set of questions will help you identify some relevant topics, issues, and intelligence gaps of that customer. Consider a topic such as foreign naval capability. Then think about issues such as classes of ships they have, naval base locations, and new Navy ship construction. Finally, identify potential gaps of knowledge that are not currently available but will be needed to understand that issue, such as their naval strategy for use of their naval forces. In the third step, you break down the topics into a good question that can be analyzed. Test out different questions by checking, does it address a topic relevant to the customer? Does it contain a subject and a verb, and is it an open-ended question? Once you have settled on a relevant intelligence question, then you're ready to start designing your intelligence product around that. Using analytic design will help ensure you have solid planning process, and it will ultimately help build credibility with your customer. This process can be applied to all types of analysis, including foundational, military capabilities, leadership, and political military. It can also be used for alternative and exploratory analysis that you may conduct. To review, there are 7 steps in this process which should be followed in this order. First, framing the question. 2, knowledge review. 3, resource picture. 4, methodology building. 5, knowledge development. 6, perform analysis. And 7, evaluate analysis. Having a solid intelligence question and design framework will help you get ready to write a high-quality product.